Welcome to Train Signal. You're watching a lesson on configuring the offline virtual machine servicing tool. In this lesson, we'll start off by talking a little bit about the idea of maintaining software updates. Then we'll talk about what exactly the offline virtual machine servicing tool is. I'll go over some of the infrastructure requirements that need to be in place in order for this tool to be able to function properly. And then we'll jump into the operating system and see a little bit about configuring WSUS, or Windows Server Update Services, and doing offline updates using the offline virtual machine servicing tool. Now, before we get into the actual tool itself, let's talk about the idea of maintaining software updates. There are many different options out there when it comes to ways of keeping your company's systems up to date. There are two of these options that are supported by the offline virtual machine servicing tool. The first of which is called Windows Server Update Services, or what's commonly referred to just simply as WSUS. Now, this tool is used by organizations both large and small, because it is very scalable, but more importantly, it's free. Okay, I have here free download, which makes it almost sound like some of those pieces of software that you see advertised. Free download. Yeah, you can download it for free, but then you got to pay to use it. No, WSUS is completely free to download and to use. It will centrally manage all of your updates for both operating systems and applications. And it works by synchronizing with Microsoft Update. Okay, so kind of the real quickie here on WSUS, the idea is you have one server, and again, it's scalable, so you may have many servers in a larger organization, but for right now, just to understand, you start with one server. That one server communicates with Windows Update to get all the updates for all the other machines on your network. And then those other machines, instead of going out to Microsoft Update to get their updates, they come to this one server, to the one WSUS server. Okay, so this is probably the most popular way of keeping systems up to date right now. Now, another option that is also supported by the offline virtual machine servicing tool is Microsoft System Center Configuration Manager. Now, this is something that would typically be used in more of your larger corporations, more complex networking environments. It does more than just keep your systems up to date. It also manages the